to be speaking about the effects of heavy tractors on soil. My main focus today is going to be soil compaction, and later on in this video we'll see what soil compaction is all about. It's in the soil being pushed together, reducing pore space between the soil particles. Depending on the intensity of the soil compaction, reducing this pore space will in turn reduce water filtration, and soil will take longer to dry out. This compaction limits oxygen supply to the roots, reducing respiration rates, which is essential for nutrient uptake. Root growth can also be impeded. In the dry season, this may lead to stunted drought-stressed plants, reducing yields. Yield can be reduced up to 60% if not assisted accordingly with fertilizers and irrigation. This may be a major loss to the farmer. I'm going to be talking about managing soil compaction. This can be done by reducing the amount of field traffic and also by using lighter equipment and using flotation tires or tracks. Also, not working soil or driving on fields unless they are dry enough. Maintaining as much organic matter as possible in soil is feasible. Increased organic matter generally makes aggregates stronger, so they can better support traffic with less compaction. Soil compaction decreases soil aeration, affecting root metabolism and increasing denitrification, which we know is the loss of nitrogen to the atmosphere. Potassium may also become deficient, as well as nitrogen. Greater axial loads and wet soil conditions are major factors which will intensify soil compaction at a greater rate and a greater depth. Compaction does vary as different machinery is used for different crops and different soil structure. Loads can reach up to 10 tons per axle, these being combines, loaded grain carts and slurry tankers. Subsoil compaction can have long-term effects to soil productivity as it adds stress and reduces growth rate, which again have an effect on water and nutrient uptake. Subsoil compaction can affect water availability, nitrogen and potassium uptake, plant growth yield, and also delaying planting and other field operations. So draining soils that tend to be wet can help reduce soil compaction, since wet soils are more susceptible to compaction than dry soil. It makes sense to eliminate wet spots if possible. An added bonus is that dry soils tend to warm faster in spring. Also, practice crop rotation to include forages with deep roots. Deep-rooted forages such as alfalfa can penetrate compacted soil layers and leave pore space and organic matter when they decay.